But we're looking for a voice, really. It's a real opportunity. Actually writing from the heart, from the head, from the gut. Arts and culture is not a luxury add-on. It is fundamental. Work on the best stuff and get into that imaginative, creative place inside yourself. And that's part of the challenge of it, I think, to be able to write something that will be able to work in two different mediums. The real voice, the freshness, and a voice that has something to say and an interesting way to say it, a unique kind of take on things. And so you've got to have compelling characters. More and more new plays being performed, plays that the writers actually want to write about our culture and our story. Is that too much to ask?